It's a 2006 R53 Mini, John Cooper Works version. And we're going to go over removing the lower control arm and replacing it with that blue and red one there. And here's the right side. So I've done the left side. So we're going to tackle this. It's a pretty straightforward job. Just have 2 bolts to remove and mark the, what you want to do is mark, there's an eccentric fitting on that, and you need to mark where it is because that has got some alignment control there. So you can see where I put on the red mark right there. Did a couple of them. So you want to do that. If you've got rust all over here, you want to spray it with some Freol or something, let it soak, but this one's in such good condition, you don't need to do that. So let's get started. We've got a 16 millimeter here, and I've got 18s here on both sides. There's a nut and the bolt head on the back side. So I'm going to go ahead with this 16. Okay, I got that out. I'll work these. Okay, there we go, not too bad. So I have the new lower control arm in the OEM, and to get them the same size, that's what I'm going to start out with. Just take the bolt from the car, insert that in one end, find another similar bolt, put that in so that when you tighten down these nuts, you can ensure that at least you're starting out with the same length. So before you position the control arm in place, just get that bolt so where you can see it, and then we'll put the control arm up here. I have no idea if you can see that or not, but if you're lucky you can. I lost the bolt. There we go. Okay. See, so that. Yes, there we go. That thing went through there pretty easily. Okay, so just going to work the other side in. Maybe you can see that. Got my knee on the tire. Got my knee on the tire. Let's get that lined up. On the back side has a nut that this thing will move with the eccentric doohickey here. So all that stuff makes sense now. Just tighten that up in a line. You still see the little mark. See the little mark right there. So I'll line that with the mark here and tighten it up. So you take this is a 1-inch open end. Just align those red marks. You got to make sure to get that eccentric nut thing embedded down in there far enough. You'll know what I mean when you start doing it. So you need to just hold that in place while you tighten. All right, looks good. So both of these nuts and screws here, I guess bolts and nuts here, are 74 foot-pounds. I just went ahead and wrote that on there. I got that out of the mini manual that I have, so I will put on a torque wrench as best I can. I'll be able to do it on this one because there's room. I'm not sure about this one, but the next task is to get these at 74 foot-pounds. So torque this to 74. 74.5. Good enough.